Welcome to another review video on the channel. Today we will be looking at this iFixit's Manta Driver kit, which is a 112-bit version, basically a larger version of the old iFixit 64-bit kit, which was a larger version of the 54-bit kit obviously. But as you can see, I've decided to dedicate mine for my ES121 here, and decided it would be nice to have something dedicated for this. This is, as I said, the older version, the shorter neck version on the bits. So yeah, this is basically the difference between the older 64-bit kit and the newer 64-bit kit and the Manta Driver kit. The smaller bits on the Manta Driver kit and all bits on the 64 Driver kit have longer necks, which I'll show you in a second. But yeah, this here it is inside this box, and if we unbox this, which is pretty simple, it's just some fancy cardboard packaging. Here are the bits themselves. So as you can see, there are 112 bits, and a lot of these bits are very convenient. I have many useful functionalities. For example, I like this bit because it's just a magnet, so this is aluminium, sorry. But yeah, it should attach to any, well, most screws that you have. And you know, there are other useful bits like the SIM extraction bit, etc. And as I said, these have a longer neck, so I'm just going to grab one here and grab one from the older set. So here you can see the difference. This is the older one, this is the newer one. Basically they just have a significantly longer neck, and that is actually very useful. I did run into a problem with the older kit when I was disassembling Nintendo Wii, one of the European versions, and it had a sunken screw. It's a different location to compare to American ones, but if you have a European one, you can check it for yourself. And yeah, this thing, the driver didn't fit inside there because the hole there was narrower than the size of this. And yeah, I basically had to get creative about removing that screw, but I don't think it's going to be an issue with these bits, which is very nice. And yeah, overall I'm very impressed with the quality, but I was expecting that since the older kit was very nice as well. And you might be wondering why I did buy this, since I have the older kit. Well, these are the bits that I use for my cordless drill, and as you can see, I did break two of the flathead bits, and I actually completely broke off a third one and threw it away. And yeah, even if I didn't, well, these are very, as you can see, very rusty, so it was a good opportunity for me to replace that anyways. And I was going to order the iFixit smaller, larger bit kit, but I decided to go with this combined kit, just so I have like this compact version. This thing costs about $65. Well, no, it costs $65 on Amazon US. It costs $60 I think from iFixit. And yeah, it is a bit expensive, but the quality of the product that you get is very nice. And you know, honestly, if you're dealing with a lot of electronics, then I can highly recommend this kit. And if you don't have any need for these larger bits, then you can just go with the 64-bit driver kit, which is $30 if I remember correctly. It's the same quality as this, it just doesn't have this larger driver, and it doesn't have the bigger bits here, but you know, it's still 64 bits, and you know, it's useful for pretty much everything that you might need, since you probably have screwdrivers for larger bits anyways. This thing served me well for quite some time now, and you know, I can highly recommend this kit. So if you're interested in it, I will link the Amazon link in the description below. But other than that, I hope you found this review video useful. If you did, please leave me a like down below, and thanks for watching.